One of the things that I really liked about the training today was the openness. There was room for us to ask questions and dialogue. If I might have been a little timid about asking one thing, that timidity sort of went down. They set a stage for us to be able to have a good dialogue and very open.
I thought today's training was great. It's not often that we can get our leadership team out of the office, out of our day jobs, and really focus on a critical area of DEI. I also think that the way that this program was set up as an intensive one-day deep dive really made us better. We'll be able to go back to our day jobs with a lot of good information and things to think about.
I'm really interested to go through a user guide approach that we talked about, where we hear more about our team's communication styles and how they best receive communication, how they best process information, how they best communicate information proactively, so that as a leader, I can try to match a little bit better where each of the people on my team are and model that.
Vaco, as a recruiting and staffing firm, can continue to gain a lot from continuing to explore all of the best practices within DEI, both in how we hire internally for Vaco, as well as how we support our clients in building their teams. So when it comes to inclusive hiring, resume review, to job applications, and making sure that we are helping the organizations that we support in hiring think through all of those inclusive best practices, I think our team will be better from the information today.
Vaco's always been this sort of place that tries to be very real. I think that if we can continue to be a place where even more people are welcome to walk through the door, I think we'll be better for that. And I'm hopeful this training helps us open that door widely and increase our openness to a broader population.